Hi there, welcome to this tutorial on ChequeMaster Cheque Printing Software. In this video, I will walk you through how to create or modify check layout, set margins, paste print, set fonts, and other minor settings. So let's get started. So to create or check our layout, we have to go on check layout menu. Okay, so today I want to create a check layout for my HDFC preferred bank account. And so first let's see if that is available or not. So my HDFC, yes, and yes, it is already available, HDFC preferred bank. Okay, so this is already available, but suppose it is not available, and if you want to create a new check layout, so let me demonstrate you how can you create the new check layout. So for that, I have already scanned my check, and the image is already available in my computer. So this is the image. So I want to create a new check layout for this check. Okay, so for that, click on add check layout. Okay, here you can enter the name HDFC preferred 002. Okay, now the check layout is created. So here is the name of our layout. Here we can upload the image that we have just scanned for our reference to create check layout. This is used to test the prints. This is for setting the margins that I will explain later in this video. Okay, so let's first start with our image that we have scanned. So let's go to browse and let's create that image. Okay, so this image is just for reference so that we can properly create the check layouts. So the next step should be we have to arrange this layout according to this uploaded image. So let's say I'm arranging this all the things according to referencing our image. Okay, this may take some time, but this is only a one-time setting, so that we have to do. I'm arranging the date digits. Okay, okay. Now you see these digits are not aligned properly horizontally, so click on any digit, which I'm clicking on D, and click on align digits. So now all the digits will be aligned properly. Okay, now I am okay with this design, but yes, I don't want this extra line. So in add or remove section, you can remove that section or that extra line. So I'm removing that line. Okay, also we have different date formats available. Let's say DT, MM, YY and all that, but this section is not for my this particular check layout, so I am not using it. But if you want to use it, then just click on this checkbox and that layout will be available, and you can drag and drop anywhere if you want. But for now, this is not used for my layout, so I am just not using it. Okay, and here you can see our AC pay cross line. So if you want to remove it, then just untick here, and if you want to just show the text like AC pay or that, then you can click on this checkbox and that will be available, and you can put it anywhere you want. But I know that AC pay cross line, so I'm keeping it and removing this. Yeah, so now my layout is ready. So let's save this layout. The next thing will be to testing the prints for this layout. Okay, so to do this, we have to click on test print. Okay, so let's do a test print. But before testing the prints, we recommend you that you prepare paper with the check size of 202 mm by 93 mm, so that you don't waste any check if the print is not proper. Okay, so we recommend you to cut a paper of the same size of check. And here you have to make sure that you have entered the correct width and height of the check in millimeters. Okay, so this is the very important thing, and this must be set properly. So for my check, uh, this is fine, 202 mm by 93 mm. Most Indian checks have this size. So I have used 202 mm by 93 mm. Okay, so now I'm ready with my check layout, and now I'm ready for testing the print. So let's click on test print and click on the print. Uh, Here are different settings available to print the check. I mean, how to insert the check in the printer, but that I will explain in another videos. But for now, I have selected vertical center. That means we have to put the head of the check first in the printer and in the center location. So like as shown in this image. So let's do the test print. Okay, you can select your printer here and click print. So after print, let's say it is if it's showing like this, if you can see here, this is my printed check. So if it is showing like this, then it is fine. Our layout is perfect for printing checks. But in some cases, you may have the issues like this. Uh, if you can see here, the date digits are not properly aligned in the boxes. uh, Amount in word is also not aligned, and this payee name is also not aligned. You can see amount and bearer things are proper. Also this AC pay cross line is proper, but these three things, date, payee name, and rupees in words are not properly aligned. So to fix this, we have two options. So let's see that. So here, uh, referencing that image, let me open the image again. So if you can see here, let's fix payee name first. Here you can see payee is slightly uh, you can say 2 mm. If we shift it down to 2 mm, then it will be fixed. For date, if we shift it down to 2 mm and shift it to left side for 2 mm, then this will be also fixed. And for amount in words, if we shift it down to 3 mm and shift it to left side for 4 mm, then it will be fine. So to shifting this, we have option 1. Then in this check layout, we will move this down, let's say 3 mm. If you can see in this green block, it is showing you the top and left position. Now in amount in words, let's, if you can see, it is 29 mm from top. So let's move it to 3 mm, so it is 32 mm now. Now let's move this line number 2 also to 3 mm, and we have to move it to 4 mm left side. So let's move it to left side. Okay, now 27. So now we are ignoring the this reference image, right? Okay, now we have to move this pay name is fine. Now we have to move this date digits to 2 mm down, 2 mm left, 2 mm down, 2 mm left. So we have to do same thing for each and every date digits like this. Okay, and align. Now I have aligned the digits. Now if we you need to click save layout and then do the test prints and check again that if it is correctly or not. And if you see any issues in the layout, then you can correct by this also. So this is the option number 1. Now we have the option number 2, and which is prefer that to use that option instead managing like this. For that, you can set the margin. Okay, so for that, click on margin. Okay, so for payee name 1, we are seeing the issues like we have to shift down payee name by 2 mm. So here we are go to payee name. We need to shift it down. So click here down, and it will do 2 mm. Okay. Now for amount in words, we have to shift the amount in words to 3 mm down and 4 mm left side. So we will amount in words, we will shift it down to 3 mm. We will shift it to left by 4 mm. Okay. And now we'll do the same for date. We want to shift it to left side for 2 mm and shift it down 2 mm. Okay, now we have to click save and apply. Now these settings will be applied, and now you can test the print again, and you have to follow these settings if you are getting any issues in your print. So once you are sure that your print is proper in this test print, then that means that your layout is perfectly created, and it should be now looking like this. Okay, so this is how you can create and modify your check layout. Okay, so I hope this video is helpful for creating user layouts, and I hope I am able to explain each and everything properly. Thank you. Let's meet in the next video.